Hey everybody! So today I'm going to show you how to adjust, well, loosen, tighten, adjust the headset and handlebars of your bike, since it's something I'm about to do right now anyway. So for adjusting your headset, you essentially, well, I mean not your headset, your stem, sorry, wrong words. The stem and your handlebars on your bike. So right here, you can see these these four nut bolts right here, and these are what we're going to want to loosen in order to be able to adjust everything. And what you want to do is go at it in a, well, slowly release them in sort of a crisscrossing kind of pattern. And the reason why we're doing that is because this relieves the tension on, well, relieves the tension sort of evenly across all of these. So if I unscrewed this one all the way, this one all the way, this one all the way, and then this one last, this one would be holding on to all the pressure that had been, that had been distributed across everything before. And that's not good for everything involved, and you want to sort of minimize your chances of things getting damaged in that kind of way. And you sort of loosen each nut at the sort of going to the same kind of tension level. So like this one feels really loose, so I stopped that one early. While this one was feeling tighter, but now I got it to the same point, and so on and so forth. Just keep working around, and I think all of these are loose enough now where I can adjust my handlebars. Now, my handlebars are just a little bit angled downward from my tastes, and so what I can do is, now that I've loosened these up enough, I can just grab onto them and just shift them a little bit. And so I'm just going to sort of look at this, see if it looks level to me, sort of eyeball it, and I think that's about where I want it. And now that I've done that, I can just re-snug up everything. And it's something that, when I've helped teach people how to work on their bikes, is definitely something that folks sort of have a little bit of anxiety about, going, my handlebars are all screwy. It's like, well, fixing this issue is actually really, really straightforward, really easy, as you just saw, because it just took a few little minutes. And so now that I've got this where I want it, I just start tightening everything in the same kind of crisscrossy star pattern that I was doing before. Doing each one a little bit at a time, getting the tension sort of even on each one as I tighten it. And you'll feel it if you do this, that you'll notice that, like, however much I tighten this one, by the time I've done these other three, when I come back around to it, it'll suddenly feel looser. And that's it's just something to be aware of. And it's a demonstration of sort of the mechanics of what I'm explaining to you here. Now, since we're in this little area, I might as well just combine this little video with, actually, you know what, I'll do that as a separate thing. But in any case, the pattern that you're seeing here, so this is sort of, I don't see a lot more bolts for these than 4, but if you have 2, it's the same thing. You just release and loosen, release and loosen. Release one, release the other, release one, release the other, and tighten back and forth the same way as what I'm doing right here. And there's, pretty sure there's a nanometer. Yeah, it says 5 nanometers for tightening. Now, I, never having had a torque wrench, have sort of had to learn by feel what feels right as far as what these things want, as far as tension goes. And essentially you sort of get a sense like where things stop wanting to really turn. And for little parts like this, like essentially if me turning with my hand like this starts feeling tight, so like right there, then that's a pretty good sign that you should stop. I'm just going to finish up this guy. And yep, there's a little bit of slack left in that one. And now my handlebar should be a little bit more adjusted. And if you have the need to adjust yours, you have the option now as well. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys, and make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out more and more stuff now. So thanks. Bye.